Do y'all have a tech portfolio?
Yep, definitely do. I feel like a lot of boot camps actually make you have to build a website, build a developer portfolio to showcase your employer. So I definitely indeed have one.
I have one, you know. Is it updated? Nope. Do I broadcast it? Nope. But I do have one. I don't know what it's doing. I don't remember what it looks like, but it's there.
It's living.
It's there.
It's out. Let me Google your website real quick. I do not have one as well, but when I was looking for my first job in tech, I thought it was very important for me to have one. Employers don't have any like references of like your previous work from other companies. So like this is like the only way to show them what you have been kind of working on. You do have GitHub to kind of display some of your work, but GitHub can kind of be sometimes messy, right? You just have a bunch of commits, but that portfolio is nice and polished and you're showing off your best work.